Good morning. This is the morning 10-minute Qigong practice to open up the body, stretch the tissues, and get the blood and Qi flowing. Most importantly, as you do this practice, find the place where your edge is. And very importantly, don't push beyond it. Just hang on that edge and let the body naturally relax. As the mind softens, the tissues will soften, and then the body will stretch naturally. So let's begin. Begin just standing, your feet shoulder width apart, and imagine sitting down on that bar stool behind you. Does not have to be too low. You want just enough so those knees are bent, and that the weight of the body can kind of be held in this spring of the body, the shock of the body we call the Qi. As I stand here, I close my eyes, rest the mind, relax the body, heart is calm. Always good to begin the practice, orienting yourself from this space. And then just begin with some light bouncing, just to shake the body, loosen the joints. Sometimes you see when people do the shaking or the bouncing, they're just doing the arms or they're just doing the legs. Try to have the whole body move together. This is really important for the lymphatic system, detoxing the body, opening up the channels, waking up the tissues and the blood, circulation. Especially good if you've been sitting down for too long. Now let's add some of the arm movements with it, okay? So let's go up and down with the bounce. Exhaling out through the mouth, inhaling through the nose. Palms in front. Out to the side. And down. And slowly relax. Yeah, notice the vibration moving through the body right now. Just take a moment to feel that. And then let's arm swing. So really important with the arm swings, it is a pivot that happens from the center line of the body. This center pole that pivots side to side. So be very mindful as you do that, that the legs don't collapse in, that they hold strong into their position as I pivot and turn from my inguinal fold that we call the Qi. Like so. So raise my arms up and lower them. Up and lower. Just a nice swing. Sometimes you see in the beginners, it's okay to do this. You see come up and then collapse down, up and collapse down. We want to avoid that. We want to be in, notice I'm feeling and I'm in control of the movements in my joints. I don't just let them collapse down. I feel them, I feel the rotation and the connection with them. Each time my arms come out, I'm expanding the tissues and the shoulders and the arms. Make sure the chest is open, it does not collapse too. Breath should just be relaxed. Good. Maybe you already start feeling the circulation really flowing through the body. Excellent, excellent. Now, let's extend that to open up the kidney and the lung area. And so all we're going to do is keep the arms here, and now we're just going to turn the arms and slap the body. Chest here, off to the side, and then my lower hand hits the lower back, the kidneys. Notice I'm still pivoting from that central core. Excellent. And relax your arms. Wonderful. Wonderful. You really feel the energy. Now what we're going to do is bring the feet together. And what we're going to do is we're going to raise the arms up slowly. Get to about shoulder height. We're going to rotate the arms out so the thumb rotates out. Feel that stretch. Then come up. Interlace the fingers above your head, not too far over your head, but just in front so you see. Rotate so the palms are pushing out. When you push out, really feel the heels of the palms push out, which stretches all along the tissues on the side of the body, shoulder blades and back. And then look up with your eyes. Look up and then lift your heels up so you're on the balls of your feet. And then come down, and when you do, now you're going to do a forward bend. Come down, all the way down, and then come back up the same way. Keep that back straight. Lower the arms down. Let's do that again. Good. So raise the arms up, rotate the arms out, thumbs open out, come back up, interlace the fingers, hands push like you're pushing the sky or the ceiling up, and as you do, lift the heels. Then drop the heels and bend forward in front of you. Down. You don't have to touch all the way to the ground, but gradually as you do this, you'll find your flexibility improves. And then lift from your lower back. Legs are straight. Up and release. One more time. Arms come up, rotate the palms. See what it does? It opens up the chest here. Extend upward. Interlace the fingers, and then like pushing the palms up. Heels, especially of the palms. Then looking up, lift the heels up off the ground, balancing on the balls of your feet. And then drop the heels and bend forward. And then back up. Nice and long. Good stretch. And then release slowly. Feel that lengthening in the tissues. Bring your arms down. And then the last thing we'll do in this sequence is just standing emoji. So just notice your body, how it feels a little different. Maybe you felt a lascating of the tissues, the lengthening there, where you're feeling more circulation and blood and chi flow there. Just be aware of that as you let the chi nourish you. Wonderful. Thank you for practicing with me today. May this practice open up the channels in your body, strengthen your body, and get you prepared for a wonderful day. Now, please remember to do this just to the limit that feels comfortable. Do not push yourself beyond the place that hurts or is in discomfort, but you want to find that edge for you and just stay there and let the tissues relax over time. Gradually, as you practice this daily, things will start to open up more and more. Have a blessed rest of your day, everyone.